In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to work with Microsoft Office documents within Google Drive. Now, before we get started, one thing I wanted to point out is your upload settings, which can be found when you click the gear, and then you're going to go down to Upload Settings. And I have mine set to confirm settings before each upload, and this is probably the best option. And the reason being is that sometimes when you upload files, you just want to store them in your drive, whether you're going to share them with other people or just have them there so that they sync wherever you have Google Drive installed. Other times you may want to convert them to a Google Docs format so you can actually work with them within Drive. So it'll prompt you every time if you select that option what you'd like to do with those files. So say, for example, I'm going to grab a Word document from my desktop. So I'm going to click my Upload button and go to Files. And I'm going to select this Welcome to Gmail document off of my desktop. And I'm going to click Open. Now, because I have it set to prompt me every time, you'll notice it asks me, what do I want to do with these files? Now, if I just click Start Upload, it's going to upload them in the format, whatever it happens to be. So in this case, it's a .docx. But I could say, convert documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and drawings to the corresponding Google Docs format, which means any Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, or Excel spreadsheets that I upload will be turned into the Google Docs equivalent so that I'm actually able to edit that. So I can go ahead and click Start Upload and upload that file. And now it's going to create a Google Docs equivalent for that particular Word document. Now let's say you had just uploaded it. So I didn't want to convert it right away. I'm just going to upload it, store it in my drive. You can at a later time decide that you want to convert that document. And so how to do that, if you check off a document, and you'll notice that this is a .docx, so right now I can't edit this. I can just look at it within Google Drive. If I check it off, I'm going to go up to the More menu, and if I hover over the Open With option, there's two apps that I can open this with. There is a Google Drive Viewer, which is the default, which when I click on the file, it'll just allow me to view that Word document or PowerPoint or Excel file. Or I can select Google Docs, and if I pick Google Docs, it will now convert that file and I'll be able to edit it. So you can always decide at a later time if you want to convert a Word document that you'd like to work on online simply by going and checking that file off and then going to More and Open With. Now, the last thing I wanted to mention is when you're working with Google Docs that you've created within Drive, so you've clicked Create and New Document. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click Create, and let's pretend I'm creating a new document here. If I type something, so I'm just going to go ahead and type some gibberish into this document. And I want to be able to work on this at home using Office, or maybe I want to download it at work onto my desktop and work with it within Office. I can go to File, and you'll notice there's an option here that says Download As. And I can download this document, or if it's a Google presentation or Google spreadsheet, it doesn't matter. I can go to Download As and download it as the Microsoft Office equivalent. So I can download this as a .docx and work on it within Microsoft Word. So not only are you able to upload and convert Office files and work with them in Drive, but anything new that you create within your Drive, you can then go to File and Download As and save it as the Office equivalent.